All right. Hey, if you're watching this, you just got your cracked guitar in the mail and you're so excited to shred on Fortnite Festival because for some reason Clone Hero isn't enough. How do you set this up for Fortnite Festival? So, first things last, this dial, turn that JIT to 9. Then you're going to rip this compartment open. I think you could slide it too. You're going to think you're breaking it, but you're not. It's really, really hard plastic. This is where your wireless dongle is at. All right, this goes into your PC. Make sure this is set to PC. So that's everything you need to do before you even open the game. I'm lying. There's one thing you should do before you open the game. It's downloading the app. You actually need the app to play the guitar on this. I'm gonna ask you to scan this little symbol on the back of your guitar. It's like right here. It's this JIT right here. Just scan it. It'll probably be like 4 seconds. And then boom, it'll pop up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open your guitar. You're going to go to firmware. But before you can even do anything, you need to turn on the guitar. Make sure it's on number 9, right? Put your dongle in now. Dongle's in. It should be blinking red or red. Let me check. Okay, it's blinking red. So now you hold down where you put it to number 9. You hold it down. See, it's blinking, and now it stopped blinking. It connected, right? So now what the app is telling you to do is hold the control button, which is the one right here. So you're gonna hold that down. All right, new screen, right? Make sure it's updated. You're gonna go to where it says inputs. All right, literally pick anything on a keyboard. So I did for 1, which is the green fret, lane 1, lane 2, lane 3, lane 4, lane 5. I'll say it in order. I just put A, B, Y, X, O. But you click the green lane, and then you put A, and then A pops up. I know you can't really see it. Let me take my time and show you guys. You can almost see the letters. Well, it says A, B, Y, X, and O, right? You can keep your strum bar at shift and control. Now you're going to open Fortnite. Now on your computer, settings, keyboard controls, pro lead. I actually really hate tutorials that don't show you the entire process, so I'll show you guys right now. It was ABYXO on the Crkd app, right? You close the app. You come here. It should be whatever buttons that the game comes with, but now you're going to match it to your Crkd. So you click where it says A, put A, B, Y, X, O. Overdrive is page down, which is the control button. This one that I showed you before, but you don't really need it. It's like automatic. You just filter regularly. And then control and shift for strum down and strum up. Those are the basic ones I told you not to change, right? And now she's ready to use. See, look. So now let's pick a song. All right, let's do 8-bit beat. You can see the buttons are lining. So now you're ready to shred. That's all I'm going to show you. Not really in the mood to play that song right now. But yeah, that should be everything you need to set up your cracked guitar for Fortnite Festival. The very final thing you should do once all the buttons work, the strum works, the overdrive works, the whammy works, calibrate your guitar backstage with the tuner girl. I had a little bit of trouble keeping up with the notes in the example I showed you. I think I missed a note or two. So yeah, remember to calibrate and you should be ready to shred on Fortnite Festival. All right? I hope this helped. I really needed to figure this out on my own. Their tutorials are like they don't tell you certain things. I had my Crkd app open trying to test it on Fortnite. I tried practicing the lane inputs while the app was open, and it just, no, the guitar was dedicated to the app when the app is open. So yeah, make sure you close the app and you should see the buttons lighting up. Just like and subscribe, comment if you need more help. I don't know I don't really do long form videos. So I'll see you at the next one, I guess. Peace.